Even if it's a couple $1,000s higher, the sticker price isn't going to shock them, because now we're not trying to focus on price. We're trying to focus on reliability, comfort, customer service, honesty. I would have to tell them, just, you really got to develop an open mind. But if you want to succeed, you've got to be willing to make change and be willing to accept the changes if you want to do better. If you're happy with what you're doing, then change isn't not needed. But if you want to be more, you need to make change.